Hello everyone. This is the Creative Notions February box that I'm working on, and this is the pillow that they had called Hello Summer by Bunny Hill Designs. And I expanded mine a little bit because my pillow form is bigger. So this is the finished top with the border around it. You can go back to my live and see me sew this in real time. And now this is the back panels. And how I figured out the back panels is after I put the front, I just measured, and I went ahead and measured so that I could cut 2 panels, one in the front, two in the back. Okay. And I have quite a bit of overlap. What I did was I came in here, and as you could see, I pressed a first press and then a second one, if that makes any sense. And then I top stitched both of them. Now to put together the pillow, I come here and put the first flap on here. And this is kind of like an envelope style pillow. And I am going to pin right across because I just want to keep all this in place. And then I'm gonna come here and take my next one. Now I want everything, so right now this is the right side and this is the right side, so that when I turn it inside out, it's all right side out. I hope that made sense. I don't even know if that made sense, but here you go. Now I'm going to put the second panel. Again, this is like where I folded it. It's up towards me because when I turn this out, I don't want this edge to be seen. So I'm going to come in here again, and I'm going to pin because I'm going to sew all the way around. So this is going to get sewn all the way around. Here we go. Now I'm going to pop in a pin at the top here, a pin here, and the same here. And then this is where it overlaps. So where it overlaps, definitely going to pin. Oops, I'm going to bring this down. I didn't. There we go. Pin. And pin. So you will have all this pinned up, see? And then I'm going to come in here and I am going to, you know what? I am going to start over here, back attack, go all the way around. So we're going to go all the way around this, and then we're going to turn this right side together. And I'm going to bring you down here to my sewing machine. Actually, you know what? I am actually going to do it over here. Start here, come down, and I'm gonna go all the way around. Now, where I had these, I'm actually gonna back attack right in that spot. That's where it's bulky, because that's where you're gonna be tugging the most with your pillow. So I'm going to do that. Let me put this here. Going all the way around. Rotate this. Now my pins are far away. I don't even have to take these out. Too far away. These I have to take out because these... Now again, I'm coming to this area. I'm going to back tack. And go all the way around. And then I'm going to end it, back tack, and there we are. Now I'm going to come in here. You can trim off the edges if you like, but we are going to come here and pull off whatever pins we did not pull off. Okay, here we go. And we're going to turn this right on out. And I like to have, here it is. I like to use my poker a little bit and kind of help me poke out those edges. Come in here. And there we are. First one, second one. And as you can see how that is, it's going to be turned. So this is the nice side. And we are going to come and turn again. I'm going to come in here and take my, trying not to poke a hole. And there we are. So as you can see, I have a nice envelope back. I can slip my pillow in there. And here was my pillow. Oh, it's a little bigger than, we'll see if it works. I may have to do something different. Let's see how we have the one. And now it's scrunching it. Oh, not too bad. All right. Now, if I wanted to, I could come in here. See how it's a little bit bigger? I can come in here and do another seam to kind of get it a little bit more snug if I wanted to. But here it is. Here is the finished pillow. So everyone have a wonderful day. Take care of yourself. Pass it forward. And if you like what you see, please like, subscribe, and share my channel. Have a great day. Bye.